Best Murphy beds for stylish and functional homes. Murphy beds, also known as wall beds, are ideal for those with limited space. They fold up into the wall when not in use, making them a practical solution for small apartments or guest rooms. Their sleek design and functionality help you maintain a clutter-free environment. Product number 1. Edwinine Murphy Bed Queen with mattress included. Transform your space with the Edwinine Murphy Bed Queen. Elegant gray design complements any room decor beautifully. Convenient storage and charging station keep essentials close. Perfect for small spaces, home, or office. Includes a comfy mattress for restful sleep. Farmhouse style adds a touch of charm. Advantages: saves valuable floor space in small rooms or apartments. Offers convenient storage for bedding, clothes, or personal items. Built-in charging station keeps devices powered and within reach. Includes a comfortable mattress, ensuring a good night's sleep. Stylish farmhouse design complements various home decors. Product number 2. Bestar Claremont 65W Queen Murphy Bed in White. Transform your space with the Bestar Claremont 65W Queen Murphy Bed in White. This stylish bed fits perfectly in any room. Ideal for a multi-purpose area, it maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. Its sleek design adds elegance to bedrooms, guest rooms, or living rooms. Effortlessly fold down the bed for a cozy night's sleep. Enjoy a versatile living area with this convenient sleeping solution. Advantages: save space efficiently with the Bestar Claremont Murphy Bed. Perfect for small apartments or homes with limited space. Transform any room into a cozy sleeping area. Great for bedrooms, guest rooms, or living rooms. Stylish design complements any decor. Enhances the room's aesthetic appeal. Convenient and easy to use. Simple mechanism for quick setup. High-quality materials ensure durability. Designed to last for years. Product number 3. Merrick's Modern Farmhouse Solid Wood Murphy Cabinet Bed. Transform your space with the Merrick's Modern Farmhouse Murphy Cabinet Bed. Crafted from solid wood, it offers durability and style. Its gray finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Easy to assemble and no box spring needed. A perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Ideal for a cozy and modern home. Advantages: save space efficiently with its compact, foldable design. Perfect for small rooms. Offers a stylish farmhouse look, enhancing home decor effortlessly. Easy to assemble, simplifying setup and reducing frustration. Solid wood construction ensures durability and long-lasting use. No box spring needed, saving money and adding convenience. Product number 4. Luxoak Full-Size Murphy Bed. The Luxoak Full-Size Murphy Bed is perfect for any small room or home office. Its rustic gray finish adds a touch of elegance. The bed includes a convenient charging station and a large storage drawer. Easily folded away when not in use for more space. This versatile piece combines style and function beautifully. Advantages: maximize space with a clever foldable design. The Luxoak Murphy Bed offers a smart solution for small rooms. Perfect for home offices or compact spaces. Charge devices easily with the built-in charging station. No need for extra cables or outlets. Keep electronics ready without clutter. Store essentials in the large drawer. Ample room for sheets, pillows, or books. Everything stays organized and hidden. Enjoy rustic charm with a gray finish. Adds a stylish touch to any room. Complements various decor themes effortlessly. Experience quality sleep on a sturdy platform. Reliable and comfortable for every night. Rest assured with durable construction. Product number 5. Roxo Folding Mattress Queen Size. Experience comfort with the Roxo Folding Mattress Queen Size. Its 6-inch tri-fold memory foam adapts to your body. Perfect for guests, offering a relaxing night's sleep. The washable cover keeps it clean and fresh. The non-slip bottom ensures stability on any surface. Ideal for homes with limited space. Advantages: space-saving design ensures easy storage and portability. Memory foam provides superior comfort and support. Washable cover allows for hassle-free maintenance. Non-slip bottom keeps the mattress securely in place. Perfect for guests, travel, and small spaces.